In 2019, if you don't know, the Pixel 3a was Google's first mid-range smartphone. With a starting price of $400, it was a lot more affordable than the $799 priced Pixel 3, and it offered the core Pixel features like the excellent cameras and not with the stock Android experience for half of the price. And that actually made it a massive success. But then Google launched the Pixel 5, and the Pixel 5 wasn't anything greater than a mid-ranger anyway. And then there was a Pixel 5a, which wasn't a success because the Pixel 5a and the 5 was almost identical. There's no difference. Then Google revamped everything, launched the Pixel 6 series, which was a massive hit, and then Google launched the Pixel 6a. And Google changed things up a bit with this device though. It was a phone that had a plastic bag, but it had the whole Pixel experience in it. It had the tensor chip, which is a Google's custom-owned processor for the Pixel 6 series devices. So it was also inside the Pixel 6a, a budget phone. The flagship phone and the budget phone had the same chipset. Great. The device's camera system wasn't as good as the Pixel 6, but it was massively good. And the best part was that the phone had a look that everyone loved. So the Pixel 7a has the same formula, but now the Pixel 7 and the 7a's gap is closer than you think. 6.1-inch 90Hz OLED panel, the Tensor G2 chip, face unlock technology, 64 megapixel primary camera, 13 megapixel ultra-wide angle camera, and a 13 megapixel front-facing shooter. It also comes with wireless charging support. So although it looks like it's almost the 90% of what the Pixel 7 is. It cost only $499, which is about $50 more expensive than the 6a, but then again, the Pixel 7 starts at $599, which is also selling at a cheaper price everywhere else. So that's why leaker Yogesh Bharat thinks that all these are signs that Pixel 7a will actually be the last budget phone from Google. And he claims that going forward, the company will only have like the standard phone, the Pro Pixel, and a foldable model. Now, we were hoping for an ultra flagship, but that's not a thing that Google wants to make right now. Maybe in the future, we don't know. He also adds that Samsung might also do the same kind of thing. So keeping all these things in mind, I personally would say that if the Pixel 7a is going to be a massive success, it's going to be really hard for Google to just kind of cut the whole budget series. But rather, they will make the whole 8a and the 8 more differentiated from each other. Maybe that's the way they can do it. But do keep that in mind, this is still way too early to talk about the Pixel 8a. So definitely do keep that in mind and let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. What do you think gonna happen? Like what Google should do? And yes, if you want, you can get some crazy cool wallpapers up on my website. A link down below. Until the next one, bye and take care.